All right, guys. I hope you're doing fine, and thanks for tuning in. That's another day in Iran war zone, and after that, I hope all of you doing fine. Thank the Lord Jesus Christ, for another day. Hope all of you doing fine. Okay, in this video, I'm gonna talk about how to bypass the restriction of the Trae.cn ending session too soon. And if you go back and watch my latest video about Trae.cn, the Chinese version of the Trae, um, let's go to the desktop. If you just go trying to log in into the Trae.cn, it just give you a 403 error, which is uh, geographical restriction. Your IP address, it's not gonna performing and authorized in Chinese websites. In this kind of Chinese websites, some other Chinese websites are allowed. This one is not allowed because all of them are free version of the open source version of all the models. Okay, so and what I talked to you about is that when you just change the CN part, turn into the AI, you have the ability to log in into Try CN with the Try AI user. The problem is, as you all of you know, is when you log in after 5 minutes, 10 minutes, your session is going to end fast. Okay. So, what can we do? What is our solution for it? Okay. So, I have two solutions. I test them all. So far, so good. It's working, but because of my internet restriction and some part of uh, the the censorship that the government is putting on us, it's a little bit harder to test it all the way in. Okay, you have two ways to do it. First of all, you need Tor Browser. Okay, for each one of you, if you don't know what Tor Browser is a tool for anti-censorship. Okay, right now I don't know if it's going to connect or not, but if it does, I'm going to show you how to connect to it. Yeah, it's going to connect right now. So the the mechanism in Try or VS Code based IDEs is that each um, each 1 minute or 5 minutes, it's going to check your credentials, your username and passwords. So if you have a credible user that's using this IDE, okay, most of them are like that. The thread mechanism is like that also. So what if we have a mechanism that change your IP every 30 seconds or every minute? The Tor project is like that. The Tor project is going to give you an edge that you can change your IP every minute. So we're going to use Tor project as a VPN. Okay, so what can we do? We go to Trae.cn after you logged in. Let's see. I'm going to log in now. Okay, I'm going to run up my. Okay, now login is successful. Let's see. It's going to upload and give us the credentials into our Trae.cn. Okay. Okay, now, right before you logged in, you go to settings and let's see here. If you go to settings, you go to the hamburger menu. In the search, you search for proxy. After that, you click on go to edit. And after that, you using the HTTP proxy here. I'm gonna delete this one. And if you wanted to use Tor, you have to write sucks 5 to a quotation and sucks 5. Oh, right. Sucks 5 127.0.0.1 and the port is 9150. Okay, you set this one, the proxy is already set to this proxy. And let's log in and let's just go to the new chat and let's test it. Hopefully it's going to work, but the internet speed is very low, guys. So there is a chance it's not going to answer right now. But in other countries, hopefully in your country, the internet speed is way higher and you can use this one also. So let's wait. Okay, now I have another solution instead of the Tor browser. The Tor browser is working. Test it out and you can see it. Then another way is to change the Trae.cn and connect to the actual Trae.cn and log in into it. So there is a way to bypass 403, the error, the geographical error, right? I'm using this application as a VPN to connect directly into the Google App Script website, right? Let's check this one. I'm going to refresh it. Now I'm connected to this web script and let's see if it's going to run or not. Oh, I'm going to change this proxy too. See? My bad. Let's go refresh it. Now you see, we are now connecting to actual Trae.cn website. Just by connecting directly into the Google App Script website, right? So I created a server inside of it, Google App Script. It's a free to use. Don't worry about it. Right now, my audio is get disconnected, but I'm going to walk you through to as it is, just as it is in the video. Okay, so right now I'm going to help talk about how to connect to the Trae.cn without Tor browser, just using Google script. Okay, the Google script is about, maybe you say you have a web app, or let's say you have some kind of script you wanted to use in your web app and your app wanted to connect to it. So we're going to use Google script as our node, as a computer for our device to connect to it, right? We're going to connect to the Google script, and the Google script have ability for us to bypass 403 error. Okay, so the 403 error is going to help us bypass the Trae.cn Chinese geographic restriction. Okay. Okay. Now we are inside of the Google script. Okay. Now, after we connect to the App script, I'm going to give you all of this code that you're going to see, all these files in this project, and you're going to have access to it. I'm going to give you a Telegram link for yourself to get access to and download all of these projects. See, I'm going to copy all of these codes in from this VS Code. I'm going to paste it in this AppScript project. Okay, now see the code, like delete to paste all these keys are all just deleted, but right now we a password. Okay, the password is used. So I'm going to in here skip it. Okay, password, deploy. I'm gonna click on authorize access, login. Okay, I'm gonna press on the web app, and in here I'm going to press on anyone. Okay, I'm sorry my PC got a little bit glitchy because some part of the web devices that I connect to. Okay, right, and now I'm going to press on authorize access. When you press on it, there is Windows going to pop up, and after it pop up, it's going to give you a way to log in and give you access to the web app. Okay, now you're going to press on the advance after this pop up. I'm sorry, my screen's a little bit blurry. I don't know what's happened, but after you click on advance, you're going to click on the unsafe, go to the project. After that, you're going to click on continue. After you click on the continue, it's going to give you the authorization development deployment ID. Wait a little bit. Development ID. I think my microphone has some issues, but as you see on the video, if you just copy paste the code as I gave you and I deploy it, you're gonna copy this code and let's just disconnect from it and paste it in here, and I use the same password in here and just gonna click on it. Click connect and see if it's going to connect, and see you are now connected to it. You have to be sure you have to connect to the same proxy because it's going to use the SOX proxy. You need, in order to go to the proxy, click on the start button, going to proxy settings, click enter, and you can see it is already on. If it's not on, you have to click on edit and in edit proxy server. You're going to enable this one and write 127.0.0.1 and port is 8081. Okay, and click on save, and you can have access right now to Trae.cn. I'm using the same proxy as in here, but because of this proxy right now it's going to give me the 403 error. See, it gives me this error. I'm going to go to the system proxy as a default, and right now it must give me access to Trae.cn login page. See, I am connecting to the Trae.cn. So this is the best one. Use this one, log into Trae.cn, and you have unlimited access. It is free. Enjoy it right now. I cannot use this one because of the way of my internet is set up, but use this and you can have infinite access to Trae.cn open source, all of the models. So hopefully this video is helpful to you and have value to you. And you see, you have the way to log into it. If you don't have a Chinese number, you can use Junxi website to log into it, right? So yeah, Junjin, I think. Yeah, I misspoken. I mispronounced it, and but you can use some virtual free temporary numbers to log into it. One of them is vpn.com/online SMS. You can use this one. It's free to use. The other one is vSIM. Let's just go to Google. Right now I cannot access to DuckDuckGo. Yeah, vSIMapp.com. It's an application. You can install it in your phone and by some free daily login, you can get some free credits, and you can spend those credits to get a free numbers. You can use vpn.com online SMS and vSIM. So it is does have an app for iPhone and Android. You can use all of them, and it's free, or you can pay for extra credits. But you can, with 5 or 6 days of free login, you can get enough credits, and after that, you can log into the Trae.cn. So you see, it is opening, and you can log into it right now. I don't know why I used to log into it, but I have to check it another time. But here we go. I hope this video has helped you, and I try to immigrate from Iran to another country, hopefully America. But my main goal is to go to America. So I think the best way for me to have an income is YouTube, and it takes a lot of effort for me, especially right now, to make videos and upload to YouTube. So please subscribe and share to other people and like, and if it's helpful for you. So if this video has any value for you, please like and share and subscribe. And thank you guys so much, and see you in the next video. Take care, everybody. Bye bye.